Hi guys, today I'm going to test out this cat mould. I'm going to make some fridge magnets or maybe even a pin. I'm going to make black cats because I like black cats, but I don't actually have a black resin tint. I've got one that's quite close though. It's called Stormy Nights by Tree Creatives. I'm also going to add some glitter because I love my glitter. I'm going to add this Cullen from Feather Bear Bling. It's a real ultra fine glitter. As per usual, I'll probably make a huge mess because that's what I do best. Okay, I'm going to clean up the excess points here. I'm going to grab my toothpick tool and I'm just going to make sure that it's in these little bits here that it's poked in enough. I'll come back after 15 minutes and see if any bubbles have popped up and I'll pop those and then we'll be back for the unmolding in a few days. Okay, it's been a few days. Time to unmold these cats. I actually really like it from how the glitter has settled. On this side anyway. Oh, they're so shiny. They're so pretty. Well, I think this mold has been a success. It's turned out really well. Now, I think I'll make these ones magnets, but we could put one of these pins on the back and make it a brooch. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more mold testing. I've got a few more arriving from AliExpress in the next few days. See ya.